You're probably hearing a lot of chatter right now about the new feature that YouTube is releasing to let you practice going live without actually having to be live, right? It's a good way to kind of get yourself used to it, to test drive some ideas, or even just kind of get the ball rolling, right? If you've been doing this for a while, but sometimes the first take isn't so good, so you kind of use this as a practice. But there's some people that are not happy because it's just going to be available for mobile devices, so like live streaming from a mobile device. However, for those of us who are using vMix, this has actually been something that we could do for quite some time now. So the idea here is right. It's a way to practice your setup, try some new ideas. If you've changed some things to see how it's going, and so it's a great idea. But you don't have to use this. If you're not interested in just doing it to YouTube, or if you don't want to stream from your mobile device, but you still want to do this kind of practice thing, we can actually do that, and we have been able to do that for a while in vMix. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. Let me get this out of the way. So there's two things you're going to need. One is vMix, and then the other is making sure that you've got vMix Social set up. And the magic here is this last little option here, this little green box with like the little, I don't know, robot guy kind of looking. So this is going to bring up chat messages for you so that you can practice bringing them on screen, interacting with them and all this kind of stuff. Now, they are random kind of things, but if this is something that you're looking to incorporate into your videos, this is a great way to do it even without engagement. You can just do it as a practice session. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to set that up. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to come over here and you're going to turn that on. And then you're going to want to do the view so that you get the little window. Let me make this smaller because we need all the pieces on the screen. Right, and then you'll see that it's going to start to populate. Let me just make this smaller. Actually, let me get some stuff out of the way. Here we go. Okay. So here we go. So this is now bringing up different messages so that you can practice with it. So I don't have a camera on here because I'm doing the camera in this video here. But you'll see that these things are starting to come up, and they're coming up every couple of seconds. So you can kind of get that practice of trying, different things. And if you want to be able to watch it back, the other thing that I recommend doing, you don't have to do this, but as an extra step, you can go into the recordings, right? And if you've never used the recordings before, you're just going to come in here, you're going to specify file name, where you want to save it, and then you can just go ahead and hit record. Right, and it's going to tell you that you're doing this, right? So this is another level of that kind of practice and warm up and getting comfortable thing, because now you'll be able to go back and watch that video. So these are coming up. You've got this here. So we'll make believe that this little, multicolored cat face here, or is it a dog face? I'm not sure. We'll make believe that this is my camera, right? So, I would be talking and I would be doing things, and maybe, I'm going to bring up some overlays. Let's try that again, right? And make that a part of my thing. And then maybe, I'm going to want to bring up a comment. So maybe I'll bring it up like this, right? And it's showing one from a previous session I did, but I can also come over here and do it from here. So let's just go ahead and say send. And that didn't work because I don't have it set up right. Comments, there we go. Let's try that again. Turn these off. And let's pick another one. But this is why you would want to practice, right? Because you want to make sure you got things set up. So here you go. It's brought this up. Now I can, talk to this person, right? Interact with it. And maybe there's another one. So we'll send this one up. And then I'm going to bring it down. So whether you want to practice your flow, or maybe you're using something like a Stream Deck or X Keys or whatever to run your show, you can practice those, hitting those buttons, make sure that they're going to be set up right. But the short version of this is we've had this for quite some time, so you can go ahead and use this as much as you want, try different things out, and you'll notice that this keeps populating. So while you're running, every few seconds, it's going to bring something else up, and you can send it, and then you can bring it down again, and you'll be good to go. So give it a try, let me know. And just as an aside, one of the other things that YouTube mentioned is the doing horizontal and vertical streaming and or recording at the same time. We can also do that here, and I will do another video on that. Okay, so give this a try. I'd love to hear, what you think of it and whether or not it's helped you, if you've given it a try. But we have this option already, so you can go ahead and you can practice to your heart's content. And when you're done, you're just going to come down here and turn off the recording, and then you can go to wherever you save the file and watch it back and, critique yourself. Now, be gentle with yourself. It is very hard to watch ourselves. It's very hard to hear ourselves. But this is just another way to test out your setup and or get yourself more comfortable doing your recordings and your live stream. So go for it and let me know how it goes.